If your files keep going to OneDrive in Windows 11 and you want to stop that, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn off OneDrive backup for the folders that usually get synced automatically, like desktop, documents, and pictures. This is a really useful fix if you want your files saved locally on your PC instead of being uploaded to the cloud every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 guides. Let's jump right in. First, look at the taskbar and find the Microsoft OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden in the system tray, so click the little arrow near the clock to reveal it. Once you find the OneDrive icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Inside the OneDrive window, look for the gear icon, which is usually in the top right corner. Click that gear icon, then select Settings. This opens the main OneDrive settings page where you can control syncing and backup options. Now, in the settings menu, click Sync and Backup. This section is the key place where OneDrive decides which folders are being protected and automatically copied to the cloud. If your goal is to stop files from going to OneDrive, this is where you need to make the change. Next, click Manage Backup. You'll see the folders that OneDrive is currently backing up. These usually include desktop, documents, and pictures. If any of those folders are turned on, that means OneDrive is actively syncing files from them. To stop a folder from going to OneDrive, turn off the backup for the folders you no longer want synced. You can do desktop, documents, or pictures one at a time, depending on what you want to keep local. For example, if you want your desktop files to stay on your computer only, switch off desktop backup. If you want documents to remain on your PC and not upload automatically, turn that one off too. After you turn off the folders, OneDrive will ask you to confirm the change. When prompted, click Stop Backup. This is an important step because it finalizes the folder backup removal and stops new files from being sent to OneDrive from that location. Once you've confirmed it, the selected folders will no longer automatically sync to OneDrive. That means new files you save there should stay on your Windows 11 device instead of being uploaded to the cloud. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference if you prefer local storage or if you're running out of cloud space. If you want to make sure everything is working the way you expect, test it by saving a new file into one of the folders you turned off. Then check whether it stays on your computer instead of appearing in OneDrive. That's a good way to confirm the backup has been disabled properly. And that's it. You've now stopped files from automatically going to OneDrive in Windows 11 by turning off folder backup. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips, tutorials, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.